Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve the numericals which is based on the magnetic field at the center of the circular current loop, and question is, diagram is shown here. The wire shown in figure carries a current of 10 ampere. Determine the magnitude of the magnetic field at the center O. Given radius of the bent coil is 3 centimeter. So radius of bent coil is what? 3 centimeter. So first of all we have to find the magnetic field at O due to straight conductor AB, due to circular part BCD, and so magnetic field at O, which is equal to magnetic field MF, means magnetic field at O due to straight conductor, current carrying conductor, magnetic field at O due to straight current carrying conductor. Which conductor? AB and what? D. AB and DE. AB and DE plus magnetic field at O, which is equal to magnetic field at O due to straight current carrying conductor AB and DE plus magnetic field at O due to circular current loop, circular DE due to circular current loop BCD, and student, there will be no contribution of magnetic field due to straight current carrying conductor and radius, because angle between the current element vector, that is what? It is taken to be what? DL vector. It is also TL vector. So angle between the DL and position vector are, that is what? 0. So according to Biot-Savart's law, B equal to what? Mu naught by dB equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta. So sin 0, that is what? 0, and sin 180, that is what? 0. So there will be no contribution of magnetic field because angle between them is what? Either 0 or either 180 degree. So we can write here in this form, mu naught by what? 4 pi I dl sin 0, this dl and this also dl, mu dl sin 0 by r square. This is for AB conductor plus mu naught by 4 pi ideal sin 180 degree by r square, and this is for DC wire, DC current carrying conductor, and plus magnetic field at O due to circular current loop, and you know that magnetic field at O by using, and this BCD are acts as what? Current element, and you know that this will be what? Vector R, and direction of dl, suppose that this is dl, and direction of dl current element vector and the radius vector, which is what, 90 degree. So again writing the magnetic field at O due to current element in the form of arc B, C, D. So it can be also written as mu naught by 4 pi I dl. This dl, that is what, arc B, C, D, and angle, that is what, student, angle, that is what, tangent to the current element, which give the direction of the current element, and position vector, the angle between the current element and the radius vector, that is what, 90 degree. So in this case current angle between them is what, 90 degree, and this will be what, r square. And student, there will be no contribution of magnetic field at O due to straight current carrying conductor AB, angle 0, sin 0 0, and D also there will be angle between them is what, current element and radial vector 180, so sin 180 0. So there will be no contribution of magnetic field at O due to straight conductor AB and D. So this will be what, sin 0, that is what, 0 0 plus, it can be written as in this way, 0 plus 0 plus mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square. And student, note down. And now I am going to solve the rest part of the question. So magnetic field at O, now come to here, mu naught by 4 pi I dl. dl, that is what, we know that angle equal to what, arc by what, radius, and here arc, that is what, this arc, that is what, L we have taken here. So L equal to what, theta into r. And student, this angle is what, 90 degree. So total this angle, that is what, 270 degree. If this angle this one is what, 90 degree, so this arc subtended angle at the center, that is what, 270 degree. So this angle subtended by this arc L at the center of the circle, which angle is what, 270. So theta in place of 270 can be written as 3 pi by 2. 270, that is what, 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 into r. So in place of, that is what, dl. So dl, that is what, we have taken, that is what, in the form of dl. This will be the BCD, which is taken to be what, dl. So student, this will be what, dl, and this will be what, dl. So in this case, in the place of dl, means what, this arc BCD, their length, that is what, dl, and dl can be calculated by using formula theta equal to arc by radius. So dl, theta into r, and theta, which is what, 270, 3 pi by 2 into r. Putting the value of here I, in place of dl we write 3 pi by what, 2 into r, and student, this will be what, r square. So total magnetic field at O comes out to be that, and this r cancel out. Putting the value of mu naught by 4 pi 10 to the power minus 7, current flowing, that is what, 10 ampere, and 3 in place of pi, that is what, 3.14, and student, I, that is what, 10 ampere, 3 pi 3.14, and 2 also here, 3 by 2, and 1 r is there, and r, which is given what, 3 centimeter, and centimeter converted into what, meter, it comes out to what, it comes out to be that 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. This 3 cancel out, student, and it written as 1.57, and when this 10 to the power minus 2 moves in the numerator, it becomes what? 10 to the power minus 7, and here 10 to the power 3 and 1.57. And students, solving this, B comes out to be that what? 1.57 into 10 to the power minus 4, and SI unit of magnetic field, that is what? Tesla. And direction of net magnetic field, current flowing in this circular coil, current carrying coil, that is what? Clockwise direction. So use the right hand thumb rule. Curling finger show the direction of the current, then thumb will show the magnetic field which is acting inward. Direction of magnetic field inwards, and this is the answer of this question. B equal to 1.57 10 to the power minus 4 T.